Hi friends, welcome or welcome back. I'm Yuri and today I have a review for you. Over the summer we have been playing this fun, hands-on, engaging game called 5 Little Birds. So this is a logic game that is a one-player game and it is intended for ages 5 to adult. And honestly, it is even challenging for us adults. I have to tell you, I was stumped by so many of the puzzles. I was surprised that our kids would beat me or figure them out before I could. And I'm not sure if that means that my logic is horrible or that that side of my brain wasn't well developed. But this game is super engaging and I could be playing this for hours if I had the time. I also want to thank Timeberdoodle for sending us this game for an honest review. And it is included in their kindergarten kit. It can be purchased in the kit, of course, but also can be purchased individually from the website. Through their curriculum, it is intended for grades kindergarten through 2nd grade, but all our kids, even our littlest 3-year-old, has been able to tackle the easiest puzzles. So we have a 3-year-old, a 6-year-old, 8-year-old, 10-year-old, oh actually 11-year-old, and a 13-year-old. And all of them have been enjoying the puzzles because a lot of them are challenging enough for the best of logic solvers and also easy enough that your littlest ones can actually tackle. So the game comes with a little tree. It looks like this, and 5 little birds. And depending on the different logic puzzle, you have to arrange these birds on the tree. It comes with this little booklet and it has 60 challenges in the booklet. And it starts with the easiest, which will be your starter level. Then it goes into your junior level, and then to the expert level, and then to master level, and then finally to the wizard level. And at the back of the book are all the answers. This is a great game because it's a one-player game. I like to bring it out during our homeschool days when the kids need something to do while they're waiting for my help, or for when they need something quiet to do. So if we look in the challenge book, these dotted lines mean that that's how the birds are arranged. There's only one solution for each challenge, and like I said, the answers are found at the end of the book. And in the wizard level, you may have one unknown color be indicated in gray. Sometimes it's trial and error getting to a solution, but to me, that's the fun of the challenges. And the challenge may show multiple separate hints revealing different information about the relative positions of the birds. And also when the dotted lines are connecting one group to another, the orientation could be from the front or from the back. So there are so many challenges that actually stumped me in the expert, master, and wizard levels. So if you're looking for a fun, hands-on, one-player activity that can build those critical thinking skills for a wide range of ages, look no further. You will love 5 Little Birds. Our entire family has enjoyed it and is still enjoying it, and there are plenty of challenges. It'll take some time for them to run out of challenges to solve. I love that it's a resource that any of our kids, even our littlest one who's 3 years old, can just take and try to solve when they're bored or are waiting for my help. So thanks again, Timeberdoodle, for giving us a chance to try out this game. We will definitely be looking into more games from Smart Games. Please like this video if you enjoy videos like these. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and also turn on your notification bells so that you'll be notified of when the next reviews come up. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.